Everybody, this is Ben with Sol Narwhal in beautiful San Diego, California. We're finishing up the solar install for Got Detail. And if you come up to the roof, the panel's right on the other side of here. We have two small little holes where the wires come through, and those are feeding directly into the charge controller. This little box right here keeps your batteries from exploding and keeps everybody safe. On the display, you can see you have the sun shining, power coming to the panels, charging the batteries, and running right to your equipment. If you follow the cables back down this way, they're tied right into your battery pack. This is the bank where you store all of your power that you need for the day. And these are the cables that are bigger than my thumb that run all of your power to this big inverter that'll push 8,000 watts. So it's bigger than most of your generators, and you can run multiple pieces of equipment at one time without having to restart, without having to try to hot start your generators, and listening to all that noise and disturbing your clients. If anybody's interested, send us a message.